Hello and welcome back to our Learn Node.js course on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to Node.js section. This is Introduction. For a long time, the browser was the only place JavaScript code could be executed. Web developers had to use a different programming language on the front end than the back end. It also meant that even as JavaScript evolved into a more robust and powerful language, it remained a front-end only language. Though multiple attempts to create off-browser JavaScript environments have been attempted, Node.js, invented by Ryan Dahl in 2009, found unprecedented popularity and is currently being used by numerous top-tier companies including Netflix, Uber, PayPal, and eBay. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime, or an environment that allows us to execute JavaScript code outside of the browser. A runtime converts code written in a high-level, human-readable programming language and compiles it down to code the computer can execute. Though Node was created with the goal of building web servers and web applications in JavaScript, it can also be used for creating command-line applications or desktop applications. In this lesson, we'll explore some features of Node so you start to feel comfortable with running JavaScript in the Node environment and gain some familiarity with features unique to Node. For more advanced development, Node could be combined with any number of robust frameworks like the Express.js framework for creating effective web application backends. There's more to learn about Node than we could ever fit in one lesson. We'll try to point to great resources like MDN and the Node.js documentation. Take your time exploring and use the documentation. Our instructions say, in this lesson we'll be providing you a terminal with Node.js already installed. If you'd like to download Node on your local machine and follow along, check out this article. Let's see what version of Node we have installed. Type Node V in the terminal and then press and hit enter or return. So you are more than free to click the link and follow along. Get Node running on your local machine. So I'll make sure to share this link down below so you can get Node.js installed on your computer. Once you do have it installed on your local device, you should be able to run Node-V in your terminal and you should get the Node version if you've installed it correctly. Let's go ahead and press enter, and we do get version 14.19.1. Your version might be different depending on when you're downloading Node or from where, but once you do, you should get a version number. And once you do, you know that you have Node installed correctly. Once you do that, I'll see you in the next video.